kasi sa amin kasi is sihi. So, Sisi sa Cebu, sa amin ay sihi sa Mindoro. So papunta tayo dun guys. Ito yung aming
sa Goolwa.
yeah, sa Goolwa, papunta tayo doon. So sana marami kaming makuha. What do you think, Lavi?
I'm really excited. The only thing is that you are the cockle queen, and I've already told you, don't let the team down.
Oh my
make
God.
sure you get the most. Make sure you play the game hard and take no prisoners. Okay?
Yes.
So do it. Well done.
Alright. Yeah, ang dami naming nilagay ng sunscreen kasi sobrang init dito ngayon sa Port Elliot. 35, I think. 35 degrees today.
33 at the moment.
33. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. So here we are guys. Here we are guys. Ayan na, pababa na tayo. My God, sana hindi tayo ma-stuck sa sand dunes. There you go. Who's this?
It's Dennis.
The beautiful view.
Ah, that's Dennis.
He's
Okay.
waiting for another car to come up.
So ayan.
There we are. It's four-wheel drive. See the sign over there?
Yeah, that's full.
And Dennis is off. Watch him go.
Okay, panoorin natin si Dennis. Ayan na. Woo! Dennis, don't stop.
Don't stop, Dennis. Keep going, boy. Keep going. Keep going. Let it go.
Oh my God! Look how fast he is.
Okay.
It's a dirt
Oh
road.
no! Oh
It's
no!
sand dunes. Keep going. What's
Keep
he
go
doing?
down, break.
Why is he not?
We're
Oh.
going there as
He's
well.
through. Yeah, we're going. They have to.
Wala.
All right, hang on. Let's go, boys.
Okay, it's our turn.
Our turn. Let's go.
Oh! Stop it! Ayan na. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God.
Shake my head.
Good on you, Lexus.
Ang
Oh,
daming,
Lexus.
ang daming tao.
Lexus,
oh
you
my
champion.
God, ang daming nangunguha
Look at
ng
people, look at
pipis.
people down.
Oh my God, ang dami nila dito. Oh my God, hanggang doon sa dulo.
Give it to me. Look at all these people out here, guys. It's a peepees.
Yeah.
Look at them all. That's it.
Ang dami nila. Ano ba?
Let's have a look, kids. Here you go. Turn off.
Oh my God. So, hindi tayo dito pupunta
Ay,
guys.
horrible, huh?
Punta tayo sa may dulo.
Sa dulo.
Sa may dulo tayo para wala tayong
walang
kakompetensya. Yeah. Ang dami nila. Oh my goodness. Kasi ang ganda ng weather eh.
See,
Perfect weather
could
as well.
Belinda have driven through that, you reckon?
I think
Maybe,
so.
maybe.
Yeah. Ang
Now, look what
dami.
we've done
Oh
is
my
check
God.
it.
Okay.
Oh, nice that.
Okay.
Ito na guys. Nandito na kami. So, ready na ang ating packets. And ito na yung aming nets.
Got some new customers. See they are.
Bucket is from Bunnings. It's from Bunnings, so it's really good. It's $3.38. Don't buy the lid because you have to.
All right, guys.
So,
Off you go.
yeah, just put it.
Let's go. Kuha na tayo ng pipis. Pipis on the...
How you going? Oh my God, they're everywhere. Lovey, how you going?
I got hit.
Put them in yours. I know. Well, the water's so refreshing. Oh my God, they're everywhere. I forgot it. Tell me what you're doing there, love.
Oh God, there's so many. You just did this.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Laki ng alon, pero ang dami nga. Hindi mo na kailangan magpalipat dito.
They're everywhere, man. Watch out, love, watch out!
They're huge.
Yeah, I know, they're big.
You don't need to size it.
What was it like?
100.
It's very fun. So look at my hands. My hands.
Oh, sorry.
Tayo na ulit sa akin.
How did you go? Another bag. Have a look at the bucket.
Just 79.
Huh?
Put one for 680. Put one first. Put in here.
Oh my god.
Put one.
I'm
80.
exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Baka maano na naman yan lang. Ito, ayaw na niya
Ayoko. Okay na yan.
yung mata mo. Pula na rin. Red eyes.
The waves are so
Oh,
strong.
and then this one, oh. The duck. 680.
Okay guys, well that's a wrap. We're coming home. We had a great day. We had a great group of people. Terry and Belinda and Auntie Belle or Mary Lou and Dennis, and everybody contributed in their own way. We got the cockle queen sitting next to me, or the pippy queen. She must have got probably 60 or 70% of the pippies were collected by her. You got a bit smashing the waves there though. Love.
That's tiring, but it's fun. And my fingernails is not. They're hurting, but it's all good. It's part of it.
And
So
we caught
yeah, we caught 700
plus.
I think. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, we'll cook it tomorrow. We'll purge it tonight. One more day, right?
One more time we'll purge them.
Yeah, one more
get the
time to
sand out.
purge it, and then we'll cook it in a buttered garlic. And yeah, sarap yun for sure. So nauna na si Dennis umuwi, and then si Ate Belle and si Belinda and si Terry is nandun pa. Bumili pa sila ng pies doon sa bakery sa Port Elliot. So kami ay pauwi na ng Adelaide. So yeah, yes love.
Okay, thanks guys for watching. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.